Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please ignore my husband in the background. He's just getting ready for work and he likes to rap while he does that. So just don't pay him any attention. Alright, so today's video is my everyday cleaning routine for my living room and my kitchen. Everything you see me do in this video, I do every single day because I have 3 dogs, one of which just ran from underneath the couch. She was sleeping, I didn't see her. But anyways, yeah, I have 3 dogs. I have a 3-year-old, I have a husband, I have a 12-year-old, and my house gets very messy and very busy from the time I wake up. So I just clean, and I don't care who's home. I don't care whose way I'm in. I have to get it done. And I normally start by going through my daughter's toys. This is because the dogs will go and pull out toys and play with them. And things get mixed up. There's cups. Okay, that's my husband. He's kind of goofy. But like I was saying, things will get mixed up. The dogs will mix their toys up. There'll be shoes, cups, clothes. So I go through her toys every single day. I separate them, kind of organize them for her. And while I was doing that, I guess she decided she needed some camera time. She's very curious, but I think she just wants to say hi to you guys. So say hi, Alicia.
Hey.
I'm telling you guys, it's so hard to keep this house clean. There goes Alicia, there goes baby mama, there goes fat daddy. I don't know what she had, but they were chasing behind her. Anyways, I have to Swiffer every day because my dogs love to play on this entertainment center. They can only reach the bottom shelves, but that's what they do. They hang out there, as you can see. That's fat daddy on the entertainment center and baby mama just smiling at the camera. So I do sweep and I mop every single day. Everybody was pretty courteous to stay out of my way, but I guess you gotta come out sometimes. Alicia knew that the floor was wet, so this is her sneaking, trying her best to get on the carpet. I also vacuum every day, and I use this Pet Fresh carpet odor thing because, like I said, I have 3 dogs. That's Fat Daddy. I'm putting him in his cage, and I called baby mama. Here she comes to get in the cage as well so that I could put that down on my carpet to really help with the odor of having 3 dogs. It really does help. So I just vacuum, and then I am officially done with my living room. It's a tiresome job. And just so you know, that's little mama. She's the mama dog. Alright, so here I'm just clearing off my breakfast bar. To me, this is the messiest part of my house because we all gather and eat here. We study here, I read here, I do bills and all that kind of stuff there. So you'll see a lot of books, a lot of paperwork. There's our Xbox controller. So I'm just clearing that off so I can go ahead and wipe it down. Alright, and once my counter is finally clear, I use Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, and then I follow up with a Sani cloth. I just started using Mrs. Meyer's beforehand. I just used to use soap and water to get it clean, but I always used a Sani cloth afterward to disinfect. And once I'm finished with my dishes, I spray my counters with Mrs. Meyer's again, and then I go through with a antibacterial spray from Lysol, and I clean my sink, and I just get it nice and clean. And once my morning dishes are finally done, I get to sweeping and then I get to mopping and I let it dry, and I'm finally finished with my morning cleaning. Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit subscribe and also give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're a dog owner, comment below how you keep your house clean and smelling good. I definitely love to hear back from you guys. Thanks, and until next time, bye.